Hello guys, good morning. So maraming salamat po sa pag-click ng channel ko na to. Sana marami tayong matulungan dito sa Binance na pangkapag-start at maging successful din sa ating crypto business, especially on Binance. So bakit napili natin ang Binance? Dahil ang Binance ang number one crypto platform sa buong mundo. So dito guys, maraming nagtitrades. Di ka mahirapan dito sa pag-buy and sell ng mga products kasi very affordable siya. So the big question for this moment is what will happen to Trump coins on Binance in the next 90 days? Ano kaya mangyayari kay Trump, no? Sa coins niya. So the future of Trump coins on Binance over the next 90 days is uncertain and depend on several factors including market sentiments, regulatory development, and in coins overall adoption. Recent development or market sentiments. Binance future listing. Binance, the world largest cryptocurrency exchange, announced the launch of Trump USDT perpetual contract on Binance Futures on January 18, 2025. This listing could potentially boost the coin's price due to increased liquidity and access to Binance fast users base. So, Binance started listing Trump USDT on January 18, 2025. So there is an analyst predictions. So Sustain Research, Sijudong Minus Research predicts a surge in the price of Trump coins in the next 90 days, citing fast patterns and the potential for unbearable FOMO as the US elections nears. Potential outcomes: upward momentum. The Binance future listing and the potential for increase FOMO could drive the price of Trump coins higher. So pwede pang tumaas yung Trump coins. So however, this momentum might be short-lived as meme coins are known for their extremely volatility. No? So nag-invest ako diyan guys kay Trump. So nung nag-invest ako ng yung tag 3,000 pa lang siya, nag-down siya papuntang 2,000 nag-down to 1,400. No? So medyo lugi tayo pero wait natin kasi tataas naman yung niya ni Trump. So price correction. So the initial hype surrounding Trump coins could have waned, leading at a sharp price correction. So pwedeng tumaas yun, kaya hintayin lang natin, hold lang, behold. This is a common occurrence with the meme coins. Normal lang pala yun, no? As their value is often driven by speculation and sentiment. So normal lang yun guys, kaya be open-minded lang, no? So limited adoption. So despite the Binance listing, Trump coins may face challenges also, no? So in gaining widespread adoption, their value is primarily driven by the meme aspects and association with former President idol natin Lolo Donald Trump, no? Which might not be sustainable in the long term, my God, no? So, mayroon tayong mga key considerations para i-consider natin to as crypto investor na tayo nito, no? Volatility. So, meme coins like Trump are notoriously volatile and their price can fluctuate, no? Significantly in the short periods. So, pwede. Regulatory uncertainty. The cryptocurrency market is subject to evolving regulations which could impact the trading of Trump coins on Binance. Market sentiment. So, overall sentiments towards meme coins and the cryptocurrency market in general will play a crucial role in determining the futures of Trump's coins. Pero lakasan lang natin yung loob natin guys. Talagang tataas yan si Trump. Nag-uumpisa pa lang naman. Siyempre, saan ba tayo nag-uumpisa? Di ba sa mababa? So, invest natin. Tulungan natin si Trump na umasinso pa lalo. No, para sasabay tayo. Kasi pag sumabay tayo sa mga mayayaman, sabay din tayo. Asinso din tayo guys. So, the futures of Trump coins on Binance over the next 90 days is difficult to predict, no, with uncertainty. While the Binance future listing and potential FOMO could drive the price higher. Pwede siyang tumaas. The coin's extremely volatile and limited adoption potential pose significant risk. So, may risk din yan. So, i-consider na natin yan, yung mga risk na yan, guys. Traders should approach Trump coins with cautious, no? Or caution. No, dapat maging aware tayo doon sa kay Trump, sa coins ni Trump. So, and be aware of the inherent risk associated with the meme coins. Ganon din sa mga meme coins. So, maging aware din tayo sa mga ano nila, no? Sa being volatile coins. So, it's essential to stay informed about the market developments and regular changes that can impact the coin's future. So, nasa atin pa rin yun guys, no? Ano pa rin natin, kumbaga, do research. Do seek advisor for the expert. So, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to update, and follow. Click the notification bell and follow for all video updates. Thank you.